Before buying an induction cooktop, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many users struggle with compatibility issues and cooking precision. But the real buyers are definitely talking about how to avoid those headaches. Product number 1, Mueller Rapid Therm. The Mueller Rapid Therm caught my eye with its sleek black design and a price tag of just $39.89. If you want a portable induction cooktop that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. This cooktop has 1800 watts of power and offers 8 power levels and 8 temperature settings, meaning you can boil water quickly or simmer sauces without scorching. Plus, with a built-in 4-hour timer and auto shut-off feature, you can set it and forget it without worrying. And with over 1,500 reviews, it holds a solid 4.2-star rating, so others clearly love it too. Now, some people complained about the controls being a bit sensitive. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the precision is a huge advantage for cooking. If you're careful, it's not a deal breaker, especially for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact option for RVs or small kitchens. But skip this one if you need multiple burners at once. For the price point, it's a fantastic value for cooking convenience. Product number 2, AMZCHEF Portable Cooktop. Next up is the AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop, priced at $59.99. What really grabbed my attention is the 20 temperature and power levels it offers. If you want precision in your cooking, this is a must-see. With a total power output of 1800 watts, it gives you the ability to go from a gentle 90 watts to a robust 1800 watts. The built-in timer and preset functions take the guesswork out of cooking, making it user-friendly for beginners. Plus, it's got a 4.3-star rating with over 500 reviews, which shows it's well-received. However, some users pointed out that the interface can be a bit tricky to navigate initially. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the cooking experience is really rewarding. This is great for folks who want versatility without a bulky setup. But if you're not comfortable with techie interfaces, you might want to consider something simpler. Overall, it's a solid investment for a portable cooktop. Product number 3, Empava Single Burner. The Empava Portable Induction Hot Plate is next on my list, coming in at $48.25. Honestly, the shatterproof glass top caught my eye immediately, and if you value durability, this might just be the one. It features 18 temperature levels with precise adjustments from 120 degrees F to 460 degrees F, which allows you to really fine-tune your cooking. The melt, keep warm, and simmer settings are perfect for those who like to maintain heat without restarting the cooking process. Plus, the auto shut-off and child lock features give that extra peace of mind. With a 4.4-star rating from 270 reviews, it's proven its reliability. Some users have mentioned that it can take a while to cool down after cooking. But here's the thing, that's just part of the trade-off with induction cooking. It's not a deal breaker if you manage your cooking times wisely. This is perfect for anyone needing a compact cooking solution, especially in small spaces. However, if you're looking for something with multiple burners, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, excellent value for the performance it offers. Product number 4, Empava Double Induction Cooktop. Next is the Empava Double Induction Cooktop, priced at $197.50. What stood out to me was its dual burner capability. If you want to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, this one's definitely worth considering. With 18 temperature levels and 3 preset modes, you can customize your cooking experience. It's perfect for everything from quick boiling to gentle simmering. The intuitive touch controls make it easy to operate, and safety features like auto shutoff make it family-friendly. Plus, it has a solid 4.4-star rating from 74 reviews, which is a good indicator of its performance. Now, I did notice some complaints about the installation being a bit tricky, but honestly, once it's set up, the efficiency and cooking experience are top-notch. This is ideal for those wanting flexibility in their kitchen setup, whether built-in or portable. But if you're only cooking for 1 or 2, it may be more than you need. It's a smart buy for those who take their cooking seriously. Product number 5, MOMOKOVA Double Induction Cooktop. Last but not least is the MOMOKOVA Double Induction Cooktop, retailing for $113.70. I was really impressed with its foldable design that makes it perfect for small kitchens or outdoor cooking. With 1800 watts and 8 power levels, you can cook 2 dishes at once, which is fantastic for family meals. It's got a perfect 5-star rating from just a few reviews, showing early adopters are really happy. However, some users noted that it doesn't come with a griddle, which might be a letdown for some. But honestly, you can easily use it with regular cookware, so it's not a huge issue. This is great for anyone needing a portable cooking solution that doesn't compromise on power. But skip this one if you're set on needing a built-in model. For the price, you're getting a really handy tool for your cooking needs. So there you have it, 5 induction cooktops that cater to various cooking styles and needs. From the compact Mueller Rapid Therm to the versatile Impava Double, each has its unique strengths. Depending on your cooking habits and space constraints, there's definitely a great option for you among these. Happy cooking!